A powerful person is someone who can own their mistakes. A powerful person is somebody who can see through their responsibilities even when it's hard. A powerful person is somebody who knows that being mutually respected matters more, that building the relationship matters more than holding on to those feelings or the feeling of, I was right. I clearly wasn't. I was wrong. So why not just say so? Those core four connectors, mutual respect, shared honesty, implied trust, and the ability to openly communicate about anything, even when it's hard. That is the relationship that you foster every time you say, I'm sorry, to your kids.